Redirecting to URL in Flask. I'm new to Python and Flask and I'm trying to do the equivalent of response.redirect as in C#, i.e., redirect to a specific URL. How do I go about this? Here is my code.
From the Flask API documentation, v2.0.x. Flask. Redirect, location, code equals 302, response equals none, returns a response object, a WSGI application, that, if called, redirects the client to the target location. Supported codes are 301, 302, 303, 305, and 307. 300 is not supported because it's not a real redirect, and 304 because it's the answer for a request with defined if modified since headers, new in version 0.6. The location can now be a Unicode string that ICE encoded using the IRI_to_URI function.parameters. Location. The location the response should redirect to .code, the redirect status code. Defaults to 302.response class, a response class to use when instantiating a response. The default is worksug wrappers, response if unspecified.
Docs can be found here.
You have to return a redirect. The default value for code is 302, so code equals 302 can be omitted or replaced by other redirect code 1 in 301, 302, 303, 305, and 307. See the documentation on Flask docs.
Take a look at the example in the documentation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.